Hi guys, it's Katie. I have my meal plan for the week. On Monday we're going to have pasta and meat sauce. That's a super quick meal. That's like one of my emergency meals, but we don't have it that often, so I'll go ahead and have that. Just jarred sauce, brown up some meat, and cook some pasta. So I think somebody was asking me like what's my favorite convenience food, and I guess that would be, I don't know if that's really considered a convenience meal, but that's like my emergency meal. I like to always have pasta, a jar of sauce, and a pack of like ground beef, or you could put anything. You could even put like chicken legs or something in with sauce if you want something more than just pasta and sauce. So that's what we're having on Monday. On Tuesday, I'm going to be out in the afternoon, so I wanted something kind of make it ahead. I'm going to make a tamale pie. I use Food Wish's recipe, and I'll link it down below. He has a video. Basically, it's just some like seasoned ground meat with some veggies, and you put like cornbread on top. And I just omit the cheese. It's still good even if you don't have the cheese. And then my family can put cheese on, like melts over top of it on their dish, so they don't have to miss out on that. But I like it without the cheese too. On Wednesday, we're going to have ham and split pea soup. We have like ham left over, so I'm going to make some broth with the bone and cut up some of the ham for that recipe. I don't really have a recipe for the split pea soup. It's just dried split peas, and then I'm going to put some like onion, celery, and carrots, and then the ham broth, and then diced up ham, and just cook it until the split peas fall apart. On Thursday, we're going to have red beans and rice. I'm going to try a new recipe for this. I will link it down below. It's a pressure cooker recipe, and this also has some of the ham, so the leftover ham I will use in that as well. On Friday, we need a meatless meal, so I'm going to make a Manhattan clam chowder. Also, I don't have really a recipe for that. Just make a vegetable soup and add clams and clam juice. So I got some clams in my grocery haul last week, so pretty much anything that you would add in like a regular vegetable soup with like a tomatoey base, and then just add clams and some potatoes, and you know, basically anything that you want. Clean out the fridge. You can even just use like frozen vegetables for that. On Saturday, we're going to have pizza. If we have any ham left over, we'll do like a ham and pepperoni, or a ham and pineapple pizza. And if we don't have any ham left over, since we're using them in a couple recipes, we do have some pepperoni in the freezer, so we'll do that with some veggie toppings like mushrooms and black olives and green peppers, things like that. And then Sunday, I'm going to make Salisbury steaks with mashed potatoes and peas. I don't really have a recipe for Salisbury steaks. I just use ground meat and then some diced up onion, some Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper. And then I make a homemade dairy-free mushroom gravy that I put over top of them. I do have a recipe for that on my channel, so I'll link that down below. And then just serve that over some mashed potatoes and some frozen peas on the side. I don't think I'm going to have a meal prep this week, especially since the meals, especially the beginning of the week, the meals are pretty like simple, straightforward. So I'm going to make the tamale pie ahead so that it's just ready to go in the oven while I'm gone. But I don't really need to prep so much for those meals. So we won't have a food prep this week. And I think I have a couple recipes that I'm still working on editing. Hopefully we'll have the curried cauliflower grain bowl up this week. I have another curry recipe that I'm still in the process of editing. So maybe 2 curry videos up this week, or maybe 1 this week and 1 next week. So anyway, I do my meal plans every Monday. If you want to see my meal plans for the rest of the year, be sure to subscribe and click my thumbs up button down below. Why do I always do these videos late night on Sunday? I feel like I'm talking gibberish. Alright, if you have any recipe that you've tried or something that's really delicious, leave a link to a recipe down below, or just describe it in the comments, because I'm sure people who are coming to these videos are looking for meal ideas and they'd love to hear what you have been enjoying as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.